Okay, so today we'll see how we can create a trifold brochure with Microsoft Word. Trifold brochure means a type of document that you can fold, and it is mainly you will be using when you are working in an office admin and you have to create brochure for your events and programs. So let's see how we can do that one. So first we'll open the Microsoft Word document, and what I will do, I will save my file. I will go to File and then Save As, and I want to save that this file on my desktop. So I'll just tick the desktop, and then I will name the file as Week 9 Trifold Brochure. And then I will click on Save. So now my file is saved. That's what's showing on the top. So when we are creating a trifold brochure, the step one is I have to do some page setting, so that way I have more space on my document to create my file. So I'll go to File, and then I will go to the Print. So with the print, it will show you how your page is set up. We can do it here. Also, if I want to change anything, my page margin or space, I can go to the Layout tab here, and where it says Margin, I will go to Narrow Margin. So it will show me more space in my document. Then I will change the page orientation to landscape. So you can see now I do have more space to create my document. So now if I want to change bit more space, then I can click on the custom margin, and where it says here I can change it to 0.9, all of them, or sometimes you can do 0.5 as well. It depends on how more space you want in your document. Now I have done some changes. What I want to do now, I want to split this page into 3 sections. So I'll click on the Layout tab and the column, and go to the last where it says More Column option, and then I will click on here 3 and tick the box. Also I will tick this box where it says Line Between, and I will click on OK. So now if you look at my ruler here, it is showing me that I do have 3 sections in my document. If you can't see the ruler on your document, then you can click on the View tab and then tick the ruler. I will go to my Layout tab. Now where it says Breaks, I will click on that one, and then I will click on the column break. So now you will see when I click on the column break, it's showing me a line here. Now to see the line in between the 3 sections, what I can do, I can just press the Enter key, and it will show me the 3 sections in my document now. Our pages, what we want to do now, to add text, this will be a very good idea. If I want to do, I will go to Insert, and I will click on the text box. So with text box you have got more freedom. So I'll just resize my text box here, and then make this one bigger to add my text in this one. Also what I will do, I will copy the same text box. So first I will use the text box here, and then I will copy this one. I will click on that one, and then right click. Actually before I do that, I'll just type some text. This is my first page of my trifold brochure, and now I will copy this one, click on that one to highlight, go to the Home tab, copy. I will go to the second box, paste, I will go to this one, paste. So now I copied all of them. So I have one of this one here. And the last one I have to bring on the top. So now if you look at my pages here, I do have 3 boxes in 3 sections. This document, what I want to do, if I want to add the text here, I can press enter. Same here. So all the boxes are separate, and you just have to click on each box and type the text that you want to complete. So for example, sometimes if I want to add any picture in this one, I will go to insert, picture, online picture. And if I want to, today's task, you will see that you have to do something with the Google Drive. So if I look for Google Drive picture, and this will bring up this Google Drive one, I will click on insert. And if the picture is really big, you can make it smaller, and we can click on the picture format, and I can just drag this one to change the size. Also I can click on the home tab to change it in the center alignment. And always you have to come, and this is the second page where if you want to do more, I'll just do first these 3 boxes, and that way it will be easy for you to see. So if I want to add some text after this picture, I'll just press enter. So you can see all these boxes are separate, and I can add pictures in any box I want. So I'll just do some copy and paste, Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and that's how I can. And all these boxes are separate, so if I want to change the alignment for each of them, I'll go back and I will press enter. I can add some more text here. Okay, so what I have done, I have copied some sample text for this brochure. And once you finish adding all the text, and if you don't want to show the line in between the brochure, what we can do, we'll go to the layout tab and the columns, more columns. I just have to untick this one, line between, and when I click on OK, all this line will be gone. Same thing as when you are doing your brochure, and if you don't want to display any of this line for the text box, what we have to do, I will click on the text box here and go to the shape format under the drawing tool. Where it says shape outline, I'll just click on no line. So now you'll see when you have select for all of them no outline, and when you create the brochure, there will be all 3 sections separately, and then you can add all your text and manage. So one thing is very important when you are doing the formatting, make sure keep the text size a bit smaller, so that way all your text for your brochure will fit properly. So try to practice the skills that I have added for the Trifold brochure, and type the text and use this one. So when you want to do this one, I will recommend not to change the line until, so for example, when you are doing the brochure, keep your outline while you are typing, so that way it will be easy for you to find that where your lines are. Also you can change the color of the line, keep it like this, and so that way when you are folding, it will be easy to fold, you know that where you have to fold for your brochure. And these are the 3 sections. So this is how we can create a Trifold brochure in Microsoft Word, and we can add pictures and other objects that I want to add in my brochure. So for example, if I want to add any shape here, I can go to insert and I can click on shapes. I can do like that. So anything that you want to add in your text box, you can also always do that one. So I'll just go to Insert tab, Shapes. So we can, and all these boxes are independent, so I can work really easily when I have 3 boxes. So once you finish, don't forget to save your changes, and let's practice this one to create a trifold brochure using Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.